bunnies, for today's video, it's going to be a mukbang, I guess, of sorts. What I really wanted to do, because from the title of the video, I wanted to be smoking my hookah, but I just broke my bowl, so that's not gonna happen. Hopefully next week I can have it and I can start doing these story times with a hookah, okay? Anyways, so instead, for today's mukbang, we're having a Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich. I know, that's all you're gonna eat, Lori? Yes, that's all I'm gonna eat, because I wasn't expecting to do a mukbang. I just ordered this because I know I was gonna be hungry. So I was like, all right, let me just order a sandwich so I can have it later on while I'm editing or something. Okay, let's just do this, all right? So we're taking out the sandwich out of the bag. Oh my goodness. Yay, Lori. Throws the bag away. Oh my goodness. All right. Here's a sandwich. If you've never seen a sandwich from Wendy's before. Ooh. Ah. Okay. So, anything that I don't like on there? No. All right. So for today's story time, my first time having edibles. No. Ah. Okay. So my first time having an edible, I was at this 420 party, right? And I've told the story so many times. So my intro video, the very first clip you see of me drinking, where Whitey keeps holding the camera and I'm there drinking, having a drink at a bar, that's from Lipstick Stains 420, the most recent one that passed in 2018. If you watch my iPhone diaries getting lit with my girlfriend, the girl who was in that video, that's her party, right? So I believe it was the very first Lipstick Stains that she had that I went to, and they had free brownies, right? So anyways, it was like a day into night party. We got there in like the afternoon, so people were still there, like getting into the pool, and not a pool, it was a big, really like a mansion on a lake type of thing. So people were on the jet skis and they were swimming and they were doing all these things. They were on a boat. It was a really nice spot somewhere in Miami. It was nice, right? So we're there, we're drinking, we're having fun, we're listening to the music, whatever. And then they announced that they're giving away free weed brownies. Mind you, I have had a couple pulls off that hookah, and there was a little bit of Mary Jane in that hookah. So if I'm kind of, not normal, that's why. Before the bowl broke. Anyways, how the bowl broke is like a whole nother story, right? So I'm at this party with my people, drinking, having fun, all that, right? The announcement goes off. When the announcement goes off, I'm talking to one of my DJ friends. So I'm like, yo, I'm gonna have a brownie, bro. Like, it's gonna be so good. And he's like, nah, you don't need a brownie. You don't need a brownie. You're already lit. You do not need a brownie. I'm like, fuck all that noise. I'm gonna have a brownie. Alright, cool. Everybody in my group gets a brownie. I got a brownie. I had my brownie. It was so good. It was so moist. It tasted like nothing. It tasted like a regular chocolate brownie. It was so good. So I gobble up my shit, right? And when I say gobble, I mean like nom. Exactly like that. Done that. I don't feel nothing. I'm like, yo, this shit is whack. So my friend who I was there with, she's like, yo, I don't want my brownie. I'm like, bitch, give me your brownie then. Nobody told me that brownies take a while to kick in. So at this point, I've already had my brownie. I know I'm having her brownie as well. So that's 2 brownies in the space of like less than an hour. Okay? All right, cool. I'm there. Everything's nice. We lit. We drinking. Whatever. Right? Couple hours go by. I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. Alright, cool. There's some jerk chicken thing going on, whatever. We go, get the food. I don't know what it is, but the food was nasty to me. Didn't eat the food. Alright, cool, whatever. No, I have to use the bathroom. Like I said, it's like a mansion on a lake, right? So we were outside, like in the backyard of the mansion. You park in the front, go to the back side of the party, right? Let's use the bathroom. They have bathrooms on the outside of the house. So you go up the stairs, like on the back of the house, you go up the stairs, and then the bathroom is right there, which I'm assuming is for people who are outside and need to go in without having to walk through the entire house. Which obviously they have bathrooms inside the house as well, because, you know, we use them, but whatever. So I'm going to the upstairs outside bathroom, and I'm going up the stairs. Mind you, this is a very local party. It's in Miami. It's not like celebrity status party, because it's the very first one, right? I'm going up these stairs and I see Kevin Hart, or who I think is Kevin Hart, on the steps talking to some girl. So I'm walking up and I'm looking at this nigga like, that's Kevin Hart. And this nigga tries to push me off the steps. Bruh. I do a little like bob and weave thing, dodge Kevin Hart. Alright, cool, I'm good. Make it upstairs. Somebody's in the bathroom, I have to wait. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm waiting. I'm standing there and waiting to get for the guys to come in. I look down and see Kevin Hart. I eye him. I'm like, alright, I see you, fool. I see you. Stay where you at. Alright. Person finally done in the bathroom. When I look, it's some Rasta man with a fucking briefcase coming out of the bathroom, like fixing his clothes. I'm like, the hell kind of shit is this? Anyways, he come out with his briefcase. Like, why do you have a briefcase? Like, it's a fucking party, right? Anyways, he comes out, I walk in. I lock the door. I put like a bolt thingy on there. I lock the door. I go to use the bathroom and everything drops in my pockets. My cell phone, my ID, all my cash. I had, for whatever reason, I had coins in my pocket. All that shit fell out on the floor. I use the bathroom, pull my pants up. I start picking shit up. I'm like, Lori, you need to get sober. You need to start acting sober. Snap out of this shit. Snap out of it, right? So I'm there talking to myself. Pick my stuff up, put it back in my pocket. Go to wash my hands. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm like, bitch, calm the fuck down. Alright? Talk myself down. Get out the bathroom, walking down. I see Kevin Hart again doing a little bob and weave thing. Dodge him. Alright, cool. Kevin Hart's not gonna get me today. I'm not gonna die. Right? Go downstairs. Find my friends. They're cool, they're chilling, whatever. All of a sudden it's like mad dark. Like nighttime come out of nowhere, right? So I'm there. Everybody dancing. I'm there rocking and whatever. Listening to the music. Then I see a circle start forming. And I'm like, alright, so we're going to be dancing in a circle. And it seemed like, you know, when you see them fire in a, like a fire pit type of thing. But there was no fire. I'm like, alright, cool. Next thing I know, everybody's just moving around in a fucking circle. I'm like, okay, first of all, this is not supposed to be happening. This is weird as fuck. Alright? So I'm like, yo, I'm ready to go. Everybody's like, alright, cool, let's go. We've been here for a couple hours. It's time to get out of here. So we're going back to the car or whatever. I didn't drive, thankfully. But you know how the iPhone 10, that little water wave looking thing that it has? That's all I saw the entire trip home. I saw everything in color. I didn't see shapes. I didn't see figures. I didn't see none of that shit. Like, everything was like just colors. Everybody was either pink or red or purple or blue, and it was just water. Like, shit was crazy, bro. And that was my first time having edibles. When I got home, I don't even know what I did when I got home. I just know that we drove. I think I fell asleep, and then I woke up the next day and I was like, I'm never doing that shit again, ever. Obviously I did do it again. But now I know my limitations, you know, like 2 brownies are bad. 1 maybe even too much, but 2 brownies are bad. So yeah, that's my story. The salmon is pretty good. It's not like hella spicy either. You usually get that at a regular chicken sandwich. But lately I've been craving the spicy one. Where's my drink? All of it, huh? My fingers smell like shisha. Alright, bunnies, that's the end of my video. If you ever had edibles before, leave in the comment section below. Let me know your first edible story. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I didn't die, clearly. Like I said, I don't know where I was going with that. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Ooh, she high. Woo. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be a good evening. Yes, it is. Where's that remote?